I mean, since I already had a root beer soda, I might as well go ahead and buy a pie. Buy me a pie and some ice cream. You know what I'm saying? Give me a little apple pie. Got the right one too. I'm gonna get this Dutch apple pie, ready to bake, vanilla ice cream. Just chill for the night. I think what comes on tonight? BMF come on tonight later on, so I'm gonna do that. What's up, family, friends, and had to clear my throat real quick. It's a day with Scott Jax. Let's go.
Did you brush your tongue? Good. Did you brush your back of it?
Yes.
Okay. Your breath still stinks.
He can't spell. That was kind of disrespectful, brother.
This is a day with Scott Jax. Let's go. Let's go. What y'all doing this evening, afternoon, whatever you want to call it? Let me put my seat belt on so I don't get a ticket and the police mess up my day and spoil it. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually about to go to Chipotle, probably like Walmart. I didn't do shit all day, to be honest. I don't even lie to y'all. Not gonna even lie, my phone beeping too. Hold on, let me see what's this. Who was this? It's probably your girl. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody. Yeah. Let me put this. Oh god, this is crazy. Y'all see the phone? Y'all see the? You know what I'm saying? You got this? None of y'all got this? Got the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip? Anyway, let me plug the phone into the car. Give me a second, people. Give me a second. Give me a second. Bam. Dang it. Who the heck keep texting me? Anyway, alright, so like I said, I'm about to go to Walmart and Chipotle. I ain't did nothing all day. Well, I just shot like 10 videos, actually 10 reaction videos. I haven't even edited those yet. I haven't even edited those yet. But for some reason, I've been wanting some Chipotle. I don't know why. I wanted Jersey Mike's, but I don't think the Jersey Mike's that I want to go to, I don't think they open yet. So I'm swing by Chipotle, and my car's telling me that I need to get an oil change. I ain't doing that no time soon. I'll do it in 16 years. Nah, I'll probably do that like Tuesday or something. Nah, maybe Wednesday. I ain't got nothing to do Wednesday. I got a meeting on Monday. And just chill. But you guys gonna come chill with me. I feel like I'm forgetting something. I'm going to Walmart for some reason, but I don't know why though. Have you guys ever like had that kind of situation happen when you know you're going for a reason and you just don't know why? I should have wrote down why I was supposed to be going to Walmart, but I didn't. Don't judge me. Do not judge me. That is not your place to judge. So I'm gonna roll over here to Chipotle, give me a Chipotle bowl, a burrito bowl. You know what I'm saying? Turn up one time for the culture. Eat, come back, edit a video too. I'm on that Narcos right now. Matter of fact, do any of you guys watch Narcos? Narcos Mexico. If y'all don't, you need to get on it. Narcos, BMF, and Raising Kanan. I'm telling you, them the shows right there. If you don't watch those, you don't even watch your body.
Smoke with me. Who won't smoke with me?
Dude is rocking out. Y'all see him? White dude, crazy. He's rocking out for real. Get it. Get it. Get it. Know what he listening to. I have no idea what he listening to, but whatever it is, it scares me. This dude's about to take off on a red light. He is so into the song, he's about to take off on a red light. I don't even know what he listens to. Let's see. We don't want that. He listens to that demon music when they be like, rrr, 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 rrr. That's what he listening to. My dude is out there rocking out with his cock out. I won't believe what I just have to do. I just had to go on this mission to find this dang cap to the camera. Took me like 10 minutes to find this damn thing. I was struggling. I'm breathing hard now, so don't worry about it. I'll be alright. I'll survive. But guess where I'm at? Chipotle. I'm gonna give me some food real quick. Get some food system, get some rice, get some chicken. Oh, I got bars. I didn't know that was gonna get robbed, but exact change only. What do you mean exact change only? Don't take debit cards? I don't know if they take debit cards. Hey, that Chipotle was good though, low key. I gotta figure out and remember what I'm supposed to get from the store. Damn, it's kinda cold out here. My little head is cold from the back. Pause, can't say that out loud. From the back, cold from the back, that sounds a little weird. I feel bad, let me tell you why I feel bad, right? I feel bad because I got a root beer soda. I haven't had soda in like 2 weeks. I feel so bad. Don't judge me. I feel like I just need to drink a whole gallon of water because I had that soda. But I low-key want to get some candy too though. And see what we can get up in here. Hell no, we're not doing that. People always want to call when I'm vlogging. Let's see who's calling. And they're gonna call in and then they're gonna hang up. Oh well. Here's what it is. This one. Excuse me. So, I mean, since I already had a root beer soda, I might as well go ahead and buy a pie. Buy me a pie and some ice cream. You know what I'm saying? Give me a little apple pie. Got the right one too. I'm gonna get this Dutch apple pie, ready to bake, vanilla ice cream. Just chill for the night. I think what comes on tonight? BMF come on tonight later on, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get home, and edit the videos, or some of the videos that I shot earlier. Then oh, go ahead, you got it, you good. No, she's looking at me like I'm crazy. Like, why is this dude talking to the camera? Then bake my pie, take a shower as my night arrives, and then get ready to watch me some BMF. Well, I don't know, because last week it didn't come on, but I'm guessing this week it should come on. I don't know. We're gonna see though. My son get home, he out with his mom doing something.
Scott Jax Entertainment.